One of the questions I get a lot on this channel in the comment section is how to switch to a new yarn ball when you run out of yarn. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. I'm sure there are a lot of different ways to do this, but this is just the way I've always done it. So I'm just going to take out this last loop here of the last stitch. Then I will turn my work around. Then I will take my new yarn and I will just tie a knot with these 2 yarn tails. And I will just place my finger here so everything is nice and tight, and then tie another knot. And then I will just complete the stitch and continue working my rows. And once you're all done with your project, you can just weave these 2 yarn tails into your stitches so they're not visible. So just insert them through the stitches. And always make sure that the yarn tail doesn't come out and show on the front side. And I will just weave it back one more time to secure the yarn. And you actually can't see at all where I've attached the new yarn. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.